Obwo bwe
So
bunene message waliwo message obuli ennyo ku Facebook obugamba I have this person who turned my $100.
yeah, those guys, don't fall for them. I will back over there. Okay.
Hello lovely people, mwebala kunegatako financial literacy in Uganda. Olunaku olwaleero era nga so twatandika investment series yaffe era eyingiramu nnyo ne kukola ensimbi. So olunaku olwaleero tugenda kutunuulira ekigambo kya forex trading era aliwo omwami gwenkyazizza mumanyi for quite some time era abadde adiringa mu forex for a very long period of time, so nekakasa mbu kyayogerako akimanyi. So olunaku olwaleero tugenda kumanya some little details ebikwatagana ku forex. So join me as we learn about forex. Alrighty. So sebo tukwaniriza nnyo ku channel yaffe. Tusaba otweyanjulire.
Okay. Nange nsanyusa okubeera wano. Manya gange nze Weba Vincent Everest. I can say I'm a statistician by profession, as
yeah,
and a forex trader by passion.
Oh, okay. By passion. Yep. Okay.
So I had a passion for forex for quite long. So I've worked with very many companies as a trainer and a trader, but currently I'm working with a mom holding some group of holdings as an investment manager.
No, a Ugandan company or
the company is Ugandan, but has its bases in South Sudan. Yeah.
I see. Company ekola trading, give your car.
No, the company does several things. We do actually we venture mostly in online work. Okay. So we do forex trading, we do forex mentorship. We have something that works like Jumia. It's called Agoro. Then we have Nail Border. It works like Safe Border.
Oh.
Then we also venture in other things that are physical, real estate, property management. Yeah. Then we also actually we always aim at bridging the gap. And also our aim is provide better health, security, and education. Okay. And also because we operated on the major needs. Okay, it was education, health, and food.
Okay.
Yeah.
More strategic. Those fields as the most center.
Yeah, so we do that, and our aim is to make sure people get food in South Sudan. Then we also venture into education, which can be other. We're first venturing in online education, forex trading, and I'll go into the physical education of normal schooling. But you shall make sure that people reach secondary, they start doing forex trading right away from Form 1.
Okay.
To Form 6.
All right.
Yeah.
So ohintinzeko ku topic yaffe y'olunaku olwaleero okyaziza wano cause I know you attendabye ng'obadde mu forex for quite some time, so nalabye nga you were the right person okutuwa some knowledge about forex trading. So nga tetunaba nagenda mu details, forex trading bye biki? Like it's some word gye tulaba bagikozesa nnyo naye bye biki?
Forex trading, in simple terms in Sorogama, is just exchanging one currency for another for various purposes.
Okay.
In the okukyusa ssente z'ensi emu ofunemu ssente z'ensi endala olw'ebibi ebyenjawulo. Otugamba kati nkyusizza shiringi nfunemu $, ngenda mu America. Okay. That means that's for a travel purpose. So kyusa shiringi nfune $, nga kyenjagala okugula bagala sente mu dollar. That's for commerce. Okay.
Yeah.
There's also shilling mu dollar nga njagala zitereka nti dollar weyambuka nga nziramu ntunda dollar nga nfuna shilling. That's for investment.
Okay.
Yes. So forex trading ekusa sente z'ensi emu ofunemu sente z'ensi endala
Olw'ebiro biri lw'ebyenjawulo.
ebyenjawulo. Yes.
I see. So abantu bangi balaba forex trading naye waliwo omuntu nga ekintu kimu exciting I think I would like to do this naye nga tebabitegeera bulungi. So gwe watandikirawo okuyiga forex trading wabisoma ku ssomero?
Actually, forex trading yomuyiga nga we ngambye when I'm introducing myself that I'm a forex trader by passion.
Yeah.
Okay. Back then at campus, I was investing in some company. It was doing something online, but I think it wasn't forex trading. But they used to cover themselves the name of forex trading. So fortunately, I shared with my cousin about it. By then, he was working with some bank in Uganda. And he told me, yes, forex trading exists. I've done it before, but I can't recommend that you do it since you're still at campus. That was in my second year. Okay. Nemwesibako nga olw'omusanga mugaba manyi, I want to learn. Kati ndowooza nemulemerako yonna abanga bimutami. Okay. He sends me to a friend in Wandegea. And that guy asked me for $400. It was at University Plaza then. Nemuwa dollars ebina. So that means by the time I changed the shillings I had to dollars, I had already begun doing forex trading. Okay. That was already commerce because I was paying for service. We got trading, I'm paying for service, but in dollars.
More currency endala I see.
Yes.
Yali aze kusabya kiremesa kubanga sente zo ku muntu wa campus.
I think wewe ugende mu kazi wange agamba bezimulema tomusomesa. Since he didn't want me to learn, because when he was on the event, I will lose a lot of money and I will not concentrate in the class. So I went to him, I gave him the $400. The first he told me how the market moves. That was up, down, sideways. Then he opened up for me a platform that was MP4. Then the next day gave me a big book. So what I did, to campus. So they would learn something. Now you might get so much then they come and we share. Okay? But then there was some guy who was ahead of us, is called Joseph. Joseph, you in Amogama forex trading, he took it serious. And it was one of the major breakthroughs. Where now let's concentrate here. And the pushed on. But along the way, I met a lot of scammers, Nigerians, through Facebook. They tell you to pay through PayPal, Western Union. You pay, and someone never teaches you. Or teaches you something that doesn't work. Okay.
Message. What was the message of Facebook or Bugamba? I have this person who turned my $100.
Yeah. Those guys, don't fall for them. I will back over there. Okay. So, somehow, somewhere, I almost gave up. So, along the way, I get on Uganda Forex Traders. I go on Facebook and I type in Forex Traders in Uganda. Then I find this page. It was called Uganda Forex Traders Association by then. So I met these guys. They introduced me to a guy called Paul Music. I was back then, I was in Mbale. So meeting him, I wouldn't. He tells me, I want $100 to meet you. So I get $100. There was someone, Ngazimoa. So they discussed person gave me feedback. But then he gave us some good information. I learned from him a lot and I broke through. I began making some money. Then that's how we met Paul's teacher is in California. Now so $600. So since I was doing good, I got $200 and I told my friends now contribute to 400. The group had very many people.
Okay.
They paid him, but it was not so much. It didn't help us a lot. Though he was good, but his help was
already.
and he had no time since he reached Chimanyi and the center Zina. Okay. Because you discover that with first traders, in the first trader who has money, it's very hard to give you time as a person. Arao kuwa would de ngomuntu. If you can give me $500, it can make in a day. Okay,
yeah.
So we know we got also now would de. Yes. So I kept on advancing in knowledge. So I had to join South African groups. I got a lot of books. And also because in forex trading, if you don't invest money in education, you can never get the right techniques. And there's something people forget. If you come to a mentor, unless you have come to Vine, or you have come to a mom, Forex Academy or Chomie, just because you have made one loss or two or three, not gonna strategy and no. Yes. So do one thing. Forex is like 20% strategy. It's 80% psychology.
Yeah.
Yeah. If your psychology is up and you also control your grid, then you can always break through.
Okay.
Yeah. But it's all about mentorship. So I had to go through out of things. So you go on YouTube, you learn out of things, but you can never put them in line to make you money. Trading, yeah.
So trading is like mentorship, like currently the concentrating certificates more trading.
Apparently, as the mom, you're working on something like that. One be certified, but we're offering mentorship and you give certificates.
Okay.
Yes, once you're done.
Great. So what were get the platforms which trading what was special tools is a yetagisa omuntu tasobola kujja nze nina sente zange ntandikirawa. Are there special tools someone needs?
Yeah, you need something that is smart. And talk about something smart, you need a laptop.
Okay.
You can have a tab, you can have a phone, you can have a smart TV. As long as you can download a software that allows you to trade.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we need software to trade. Are there examples that you have as on a software?
Yeah.
Ebintu ebiyingiramu software okucupula kuba kuyingidde.
There's MT5, there's MT4, there's C Trader. There are other trading platforms like Trading View. Actually, we call them charting platforms.
Charting?
Because they'll give you the Forex chart. Yes.
Okay.
A core Forex chart that represents the data of the buyers and the sellers on the chart. Actually, you cannot know about this data. How will you get it? Okay. So you get through your broker. Broker now no downloading an empty fail. Then you see how buyers and sellers are represented on a particular chart.
Broker yani ate wanene. Waliwo broker goyingiza ngwe tategedde.
Yeah, a broker is an intermediary between a trader and other traders.
Okay.
Or it can be an intermediary between a trader and a central bank. As you know, Forex is a zero-sum game. Okay. Inti Mariam what trading tuwanga bazanya chess. When you lose, you get. You win. When you win, I lose.
Yes.
But it also depends on how you're losing. That is in terms of risk management. When you begin to trade. So while managing a risk, losses are very limited and you always gain more.
Okay.
Yeah. So it is basically something that's not hard once you have acquired the skill. Yeah. Once you acquire the skill, then control grid. After control grid, control your emotions, then you make the money.
oyogedde ku dollars nnyingi awo obuyiseewo like omuntu atandika ne dollars mmeka okutandika okutrading?
Kisinziira broker ki. Some brokers charge as little as $1.
No.
Okay. Others charge $10, others 20, others 30, others 100. Depends. Okay.
Okwo tekuliko binene ebya software by'ogambye. Software ye abantu bamugyawo.
No. As long as you get a broker and you open an account, the KYC, you log in, you can go on the broker. It's where their platform. On any broker local platforms, you see them for Windows, Android.
So broker go ofunye ya dictating a platform.
Yes.
Okay.
He does not dictate, you choose. Okay. You see MT4, MT5 seat trader. So you choose what is best for you. Such a yes.
Kati mbeera mmaze okusasula eza training ne trader waliwo omusaala gwe muwa okunnyamba okutradinga bakikola bati?
No. Me as a person, I don't like trading on behalf of my students.
Madde manyi nsobola okufuna dola zange 2 ne nkugamba nnyo mungulizaamu.
No. I don't like trading on behalf of my students. Why? There are things. Now, like me as a person, I don't trade any amount less than $10,000. Okay, unless I want to prove someone wrong. When I'm trading tackle, that's when I'm going to deposit $5 and I grow the $5 to a bigger amount.
Okay.
But I always like trading bigger accounts. You know what we not said, you can begin with a small account. And there's something we are running as Tamam, which can help someone trade small money but using bigger capital. So
small money capital.
So after training, or even if you're not training, we are not the ones who train you.
Yeah.
We have what we call Tamam Proprietary Farm, which is in progress. Here, you pay $80 through the site.
Okay.
Then we shall give you a demo account.
Yeah.
Okay. So what you have to do is to follow the rules. You go to the site and read through the rules. What I'm supposed to lose, what you should target for. And once you do the demo, that will be the challenge. Then you do what we call the verification. Okay. You want to interview. Written, then no one oral. Okay. So once you're done, we fund you to become a funded trader. Okay. Trading is a talent. Trading is a talent. So that's why you say you're looking for talented traders. Yeah, trading is a talent.
No,
everyone can do what I tell them about trading. Even the Bible talks about trading in Ecclesiastes. I'm forgetting, but you can even Google it out. Talk about forex trading in the Bible, you'll get a verse. The Bible talks about invest your money in foreign currencies, so that may be that you make money in the future. Yes.
I see. Kati ebyennaku zino eno bibeera bya kukwataganya ngeri gy'ofunamu sources z'ensimbi nnyingi oleme kubeera ng'oli ku musaala gwokka. Forex trading olowooza omuntu asobola ogikola nga side hustle.
Yep. Because now, like as a mom, you can do forex trading as side hustle. Nga omuntu, we can say since you're still learning or you have learned, but you're not yet stable, you can subscribe a small fee.
Okay.
Which could be $50, $30, depending, monthly. Then all we do is give you signals.
Okay.
Okay. We can tell you buy this at this time, and buy this at this time, buy this at this time. But you generate some small money without hustle. Okay. Hustle-free money. Okay. Try to work with signals as you make the money. Until you feel you're now ready to trade on your own, that's when you stop subscribing for signals. Yeah.
So signal wobeera nga maybe tonnayiga bulungi okyayagala basooke bakuwe signals ezo awo bw'ogambye obeera olina okusasulira subscription for those.
Yeah, you pay monthly.
Oh.
And we guarantee that these signals, if you pay $50 at the end of the month, oba okoze like 100. Oba okomezaawo sente zo
N'amagoba.
Because you're a team of traders. So if Vine hasn't gotten a signal, then Miriam has the signal to give to the people who are subscribed. Yeah.
Kati mu kwogera kwo obadde oyogera ku training waliwo gy'ogambye yo proprietary something. Kitegeeza mu training abantu, can someone come to you for training?
Yes, we train people.
Training ya mu kibiina.
Yeah, we have physical classes, we have online classes. Okay? You can be in UK and you want to learn. You can be in South Africa and you want to learn.
Yeah.
So you can always contact us. You pay, then we take you to the training.
Okay, nga tonatugambe engeri abagala okuba traininga gye bacontactingamu. Olowooza forex trading eno esobola okukolebwa omuntu atali educated, okaba bakoma mu primary naye kati bakuze balaba ensi etambula.
As long as you can read. Okay, as long as you can read. I keep telling people that I compare so much to my mother. She has been in the business world for long. If she wanted and had interest in trading, one interest in trading, she should be the best trader because she can manage risk.
Yeah.
You find the people in the business world or the business cohort in Uganda, but they can manage risk well. Okay. These are the people who can do forex trading very well. Okay. Okay. Just the variety, like you see in business, I'm saying maybe iron sheet is okay. Okay. So on a variety of currency pairs, we have to trading. Pair. Okay. And you find that as you grow in your trading, there's no much sense in trading very many pairs. Abnormal money. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ezo pairs ze musomesa wali mu training waliwo eno pair n'eno.
Yes. Why you say currency pairs, you're trading one currency against another country's currency. You cannot trade a currency. That's what I call a trading of one currency alone. Okay.
Mbunze nkola ya UGX ne dollar yokka omwaka mulamu.
That's why the currency pair. UGX yokka. That's not forex. You're within your country.
Oh.
Okay. Forex is foreign exchange. Yes. So you have a number of currency pairs. Euro USD, pound USD. So pound is Great Britain, USD is United States dollar. You have the New dollar against the United States dollar. There are very many pairs. So you choose. Okay. Just saying about trading commodities. Okay. I'm trading maybe metals. I'm going to trade gold, silver.
Trading.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Wow. You might even decide to trade cryptos. People invest in cryptos like I'm investing in the BTC, but you decide to trade BTC against the dollar. Ethereum against the dollar.
Kati oyogedde ku bino ebya currencies endala omanyi ffe akaunti zaffe ziri mu Stanbic Centenary ziri mu shillings. Kitegeeza nina okugulawo accounts nnyingi ze currencies ezo zonna mwe nteeka ssente zange.
No. All you do is you open an account with a broker, or which you can deposit your money to the broker.
Okay.
Because your money is reflected digitally.
Oh.
Okay. Sente zo zitaddewo zirabako wali nti nateeka $5
nga olaba ku mobile money mbu ocheckinga balance olinako nga $2,000. Is that?
Yes.
Okay.
I want to look for something here. I want to share something. Let me see. Okay, now you can see that here. Yeah, now this is the broker, the MT4 for the laptop.
Okay. Yeah.
So you can see that down here. I hope you can see the cursor.
Yes.
So let me try to do something down here. This is now the money. That's the balance. Okay. Nti guno omutwalo gumu ogwa $1 ne $2 2.26. Okay.
Yeah.
So once you deposit your money, it's going to appear like this on your broker.
So when you trading,
yes.
Nice.
So when you press a trade, this how money now keeps on fluctuating and going down. So a brief explanation, what you see here is an MT4 platform. The green candles you're seeing is Amboka, they represent buyers. Okay.
Why?
The red candles, buyers.
Oh, buyers.
Yes.
Okay.
Abagula in favor of the pound. Okay. They are buying, they're using their pounds, buy USDs.
Okay.
I'm expecting that the pound will gain value. Okay. Yes. Then one about the red candles, batunzi. Okay. So the market is of two people, the buyers and the sellers.
Yeah.
Okay. So as you trade, you know, as you learn more.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Webala okutuwaako at least visual.
Yeah.
Omaba tutera bulaba. Actually, lwakuba nze mbulaba nnyo ku page yo so, but I know it's an interesting thing. So abagala Forex, they'll find it exciting and good enough.
It's exciting, very exciting, very exciting. Yeah.
Yeah. So abagala training basobola ku contacting abaki.
So you can get in touch with me through our site. That is it will be shared. That is tamamholdings.com.
Yeah, yeah.
Or you can contact me through my personal number. Yes.
Nayo njako gyefuna ngiteekeko ku screen so that
yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. So or you can also contact me through Vincent at tamamholdings.com.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So omuntu, like in a few words, ogamba omuntu ayagala okuyingira mu forex trading bintu ki ebiri critical byandisaanye amanye nga tannaba nakutandika kulowooza ku trading.
Forex trading, I know disclaimer. Okay. Where we say that forex trading is a high risky business and you can lose all your capital. Okay. So togera kubeerwa kuba oyagala kukola ssente ofunyeyo omutwalo gwo gwa dola oz'ogutaddemu okola emitwalo 10.
Okay.
You can lose all your capital.
So we'll take a more tuition.
Yeah. But I was in tuition in university, but he used to get it back. But you had to risk and make some money. Yeah, I don't advise people to risk their tuition. But once you know what to do, you can always make money at the end of the day. Okay. Like at a system or software that will control your losses. If you lose 5% in a day, it will close your trades automatically. If you lose 10%, it closes all the trades for entire months. You can't enter any other trade until the month has ended.
Yeah, they also cook a canemo
wait, yeah. So basically that's it. So I don't get so closing a capital way. But if you get the necessary training and maybe you're subscribing to our signals, you can never lose your capital. I guarantee you can make at least 10% plus per month. Even if you make 5% or 6% on $10,000, what do banks give at the end of the year? They will give 20%. So if you're making 6%, that's over 60% per annum.
No, that is good money.
Yeah, that's very good money. Yeah.
Oh, waliwo kye neerabidde okubuuza zino ssente za forex zaakagwirawo omanyi ng'okugenda mbu ezange eza kutunda ekintu kaŋŋambe nga ku dduuka mbw'oguze kino eno ssente zo zifunye awo so when trading nenkola profit
So when you're
njifuna
trading, like people in Uganda, I will encourage them to use platforms or brokers that use mobile money. Okay. So at the moment, you open a broker, you fund your account, mobile money. Once you make profit, you can withdraw straight away. You can withdraw straight away. Okay. I don't know, but once I do a withdraw on mobile money, I'll send you a screenshot.
Okay, that would be helpful.
Yeah, because I will try to do one right now for the case of keeping my account secret.
True.
Yeah, the friend has given on Sunday. Withdraw whatever time you want money. Okay. And instantly you make your money and it is you make it clear. So here I have a video. I think I will share it with you. One of my students. So this student funded $2,000, but I don't know. You can have a look. I will share this video with you.
Yeah.
That, he has been withdrawing $400, $200, or $29. Okay. So this student, he has made a withdrawal from $2,000 of deposit. Yakola amagoba ga dollar. Let me see. Yakola amagoba ga dollar 2,260.
Wow, from 2,000.
I think you can see down there where there's the word withdraw.
Yes.
So he has withdrawn over $2,800.
Meaning capital of the sofa.
And you can see the deposit is still there. Okay. So stake is at the quarantine.
Yet I jolid. Yeah, true.
Like me, an example of the last lockdown, was it last year? Oh, last year, but one, I don't remember. I would make $500 per week.
Wow.
And the capital was 500 too. Okay. Since it was global.
I know currencies is crazy.
They were crazy. So you put in money and make money, get out, make money, get out, make. So people were trading then made out of money. But the quarantine was really.
It was a good one.
Yeah.
Salary cuts.
So it is worth it. Okay.
Yes.
So I encourage all parents, senior 6 work, at least they can do some 2 things in their holidays. That is, they learn how to drive and also learn how to trade.
At least they better start, I think, for some time. Go no emirimu. Omuzadde asobola okuwaayo
asobola emitwalo nga 5. Agataano ago no making sure that in a week you can make between 50 and 100,000 in 1 week. Even if you're making 30,000, pushing.
Sure.
Okay, senior 6 work, if you can have 100,000 in your wallet,
All right, thank you for sharing the little about forex trading. It's all a bimalayo bingi tulaba butamzi bungi bwe bakozesa ennyo eyo mu
bungi. Actually, I have an online class going on, which is starting tomorrow.
Okay.
And it's going to last like between 1 month and a half and 2 months. So.
Average training ebeera ya myezi emeka omuntu atandise
fresh. 2 months. Yeah, I give you 2 months, then I give you 1 month of training, then I be monitoring you. your grade, your BT, never tell it, then I can let you now trade your money.
All right.
Yeah, but among proof is here, you're not going to risk your money. We're going to $8 chinano of no mutwalo for trading of Kolaka said.
True. Tulinza or welcoming to your class. I'm sure you'll get some students from this video, so thanks for sharing. Abasigadde basirikira eyo ne sente zaabwe. Manya abantu bafuna deal z'okukola sente ne basirika. Nalowooza sente banaazikola bokka.
So our interview emirundi nga sijjekuwa ngamba I won't share. Okay.
True.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, thank you very much.
Okay, welcome.
Sharing with us.
Have a good evening.
Thank you.